Do I miss Big Boss? Of course not. Mansur again on screen doing the best that he does.
Hmm.
I think there can be no other better host.
रोहित शेट्टी और सलमान खान.
It's like between choosing between your left eye and your right eye. Are you mad? I would never do that. See, I'll tell you, most Bollywood people that one could potentially have a crush on, they're all like taken, married. I have to say, I love Alia. Yaar. I think there's a Poo energy and a Geet energy in all of us. So, मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
And what about Guru Randhawa?
I think the one thing that is great about him is that he doesn't take his success too seriously.
Hi guys, today we have the very pretty Nimrit Kaur Ahluwalia, and we would be having a very fun chit chat session with her, covering everything from Big Boss, Khatro Ke Khiladi to her amazing transformation and upcoming flick with Guru Randhawa. First question would be that what is the difference that you feel between Big Boss and Khatro Ke Khiladi?
I mean, Big Boss, of course, has more to do with mental strength. But having said that, I think it also takes a toll on you physically, because of the lack of food, improper sleep. So it's not like it doesn't take on toll on you physically. Khatro, of course, is, I would say, it's a lot harder in a lot of ways. Um, because it's all about like doing things in the moment. So if you can't align yourself in that particular moment, you're going to fall flat. So Khatro is intense. It's super intense. It's extremely physically challenging, but again, mentally challenging too. But I think Khatro does not make you feel lost in a sense because you still have access to the outer world, which doesn't happen in the case of Big Boss, right? Because you're completely isolated.
So, what fears you overcome in Khatro Ke Khiladi?
If you see the entire shows, like we're of course reaching the semi-finale now. I think I've been one of the few Khiladis who've had the opportunity to do all kinds of stunts. And that hasn't been the case for everyone. But for me, I feel like whether it's let's start with heights being one of my biggest phobias to underwater being again my one of the biggest phobias. Both coming from the same childhood trauma of an incident that had happened in a pool when I was young. So these were the two biggest phobias that I had. But apart from that, whether it's like creepy crawlies or shock, dynamic stunts which involves say vehicles and just a lot of strength based claustrophobia. Like I feel like I have been one of those few people who have had the chance to experience all of that. And I just feel grateful because if you come out of an opportunity feeling कि यार मुझे सब कुछ experience करने का मौका नहीं मिला, then it just feels kind of like a half-lived journey. So I'm lucky that that's not the case for me.
One name you have to give now, bestie on the show and like
Hmm.
auntie.
But like bestie, if I have to say, I would pick my girl best friend. So that could just be like Shumona and Krishna.
Hmm.
And auntie. And not really, yeah. I don't think that there's anybody who I have anything against or like there's no that kind of animosity that exists with no one, honestly.
So like अगर हम शो के फाइट्स की बात करें, so like there are too much
Hmm.
drama. तो अभिषेक और
Yeah.
आसिम की फाइट या there was any other one you would want to tell जिसको आपको लगा होगा कि it was unnecessary.
See, the thing is that the show's makers understand better that what is it that the audience wants to consume, right? And how they present the show is absolutely their lookout and their free will in that sense. Even the feedback that we would get from everyone on the team, on set, on floor, was that we all were genuinely cheering for each other. Even though we were competing against each other, but we all were genuinely cheering for each other. So
Do you miss Big Boss? Because another season is just around the corner. And what are your thoughts on Salman Khan hosting?
do I miss Big Boss? Of course not. I think it's beautiful and fun to watch, but to experience it,
Hmm.
it can be extremely, extremely stressful. And I think more stressful for everybody's respective families outside
Yes.
because they are facing the brunt of it on a day-to-day basis. I think we are still in a better position when you're inside the house. You're still at a better position because you don't really know what a day-to-day reaction is, right? But I think it's a bit much for everyone that loves you
Hmm.
to be witnessing that. I think it takes not only a toll on you as a participant, but it
Yes.
also takes a toll on everyone, because it's
Hmm.
not just your journey.
Hmm.
It has to be your family,
Hmm.
your friends, your well-wishers, your partners, everyone pretty much goes through it with you. But of course, I'm obviously excited to see Salman sir again on screen doing the best that he does.
Hmm.
I think there can be no other better host for this show than him. He is, in fact, the real OG, and I think that's pretty much like the fact that he's been doing it for so many years is testament of that.
Hmm.
And yeah, I'm just excited to watch.
So, and what about your Mandli, Sajid, Shiv, Abdu, Sunbul, in Stan?
I'll be honest, I'm virtually in touch with Abdul, but with Abdu, but with everybody else, I'm in touch with. Like we talk, we call, we meet.
Okay.
But I think it also has to do with the fact that he's not in the country, so it just kind of gets harder
Hmm.
to maintain touch always. Like physically, it's harder to maintain touch with him. But yeah, with everybody else, I'm pretty much in touch.
To talk about your upcoming movie with Guru Randhawa. So, how was the experience? I want to know that when you got the role, what was your reaction?
The experience has been beautiful. I think it is a great team coming together. It's been written and it's being directed by Dheeraj Ratan sir. It has Babu sir, who is a legend himself. Gugu sir is there. Then of course there's Guru.
Hmm.
And the experience, we shot our first skit and it was just lovely.
Hmm.
And also the fact that we shot bits of it in Punjab, which was fun.
Hmm.
Um, but if I have to say about, how did I feel when I got the offer? So, like for the first time, I was excited because the story is amazing. I have had the opportunity of being considered for films in Punjab for
Hmm.
a while now, but I think this was one script that made me feel like, oh my God, I want to be a part of it.
Hmm. Hmm.
And that's just all credit to Dheeraj sir for the way he's written it. And if I may say, like his contribution to cinema, but also like Punjabi cinema in particular, has been immense.
Hmm.
The films that he's written are literally like cult films in Punjab.
Hmm.
So just to get the opportunity of working with someone like him with that kind of vision, that really excited me. And of course, we were teaming up with Sham sir again, and I remember I'd shot with and worked with Sham sir on Choti as well briefly.
Hmm.
So it was just nice to kind of meet him again and work on a project again with him.
Hmm. And what about Guru Randhawa?
I think the one thing that is great about him is that he doesn't take his success too seriously. When you meet him, he is extremely warm, extremely grounded. He will always go out of his way to make sure that you're feeling
Hmm.
welcomed, you're feeling, like you're okay. Like I think it was so sweet of him to, make sure to keep checking on me that are you feeling good? Are you happy? And I just feel like he doesn't really need to do that, but the fact that he does that just speaks volumes of how he is as a person.
So now you have done Khatro Ke Khiladi also and you have done Big Boss also. So my question
Yeah.
is Rohit Shetty or Salman Khan?
It's like between choosing between a left eye and a right eye. Are you mad? I would never do that. And I think one thing that has been similar in my equation or my relationship with both of them has been that it's been from a very, how you feel like someone's your mentor and someone you look up to, like a very senior junior kind of a relationship, or I don't know, a student and a teacher kind of a relationship. I think that's the kind of relationship that I've had with both of them, because it's been a lot of like I think it's been a relationship of a lot of respect.
Hmm. Hmm.
I don't think ever have I tried to overstep and be like their friend. No, like I look up to them, both of them. I've learned a lot from both of them.
Hmm.
And I respect both of them, and I think they both are amazing.
So Nimrit, thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.